Jamaican gets a near US $1 million award for false arrest by New York police. A Jamaican man who was falsely arrested for drunk driving by police in the United States has been awarded close to US $1 million, or more than Jamaican $120 million by the city of New York. The award comes nearly 3 years after Oliver Wiggins, 33, was arrested in East Flatbush, Brooklyn in April 2015 and charged with driving while intoxicated by a police officer who was attempting to cover up for another cop who drove his service vehicle through a stop sign and plowed into his car. Wiggins was badly injured in the crash and required surgery to his wrist. In addition, his driver's license was suspended and he had to stand the cost of the repairs to his 2004 Nissan Maxima that his insurance company would not undertake because of the arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So this is a bit of the backstory that would have resulted in the $1 million award. In 2015, Oliver Wiggins, who was 31 at the time, asserted that NYPD cops in an SUV passed through a stop sign and broadsided his vehicle, then allegedly fabricated charges that he was driving under the influence of alcohol. I think the whole thing was insane. They ran a stop sign and I think they were trying to hide that they caused the accident. Prosecutors then moved to dismiss the case after the result of a blood test that Wiggins voluntarily took after the accident showed a blood alcohol content of 0 and no trace of drugs. We believe this arrest was improper and solely motivated to cover up the actions of the police officers in failing to yield at a stop sign, Wiggins' lawyer Scott Reinicke theorized. Wiggins was driving on Glenwood Road about 1:30 a.m. when his Nissan Maxima was T-boned by a police department Ford SUV occupied by 5 cops at E 43rd Street in East Flatbush. The SUV was pulling out of a dead-end street without flashing lights or a siren, according to Wiggins. The accident report notes that there is no traffic control device at the location, but there actually is a stop sign for vehicles traveling along E 43rd Street. Wiggins said the cops asked him if he had been drinking, and he replied that earlier in the evening he had consumed a Malta, a non-alcoholic drink. Responding officers claim that they observed signs which indicated Wiggins may have been intoxicated, the accident report states. Those signs, according to the criminal complaint, were red, watery eyes, slurred speech, and the odor of an alcoholic beverage on Wiggins' breath. Another police report prepared by an officer from the NYPD Highway Division stated that Wiggins did not have an odor of alcoholic beverage on him, but did note bloodshot watery eyes. The highway cop did not administer coordination tests to Wiggins, although the arresting officer claimed that he observed the driver swaying. An NYPD spokesman acknowledged that there is a stop sign at the intersection. She said the cops were responding to a report of a man with a gun at the time of the accident. A police source said the cop driver was reprimanded for failing to clear the intersection. I have never been in handcuffs in my life, said Wiggins, whose father was a cop in Jamaica. I have lost all my trust in the police. It is scary they can frame an innocent person. The ordeal inspired Wiggins to become a corrections officer to enforce the law, like his father does in Jamaica. This situation really made him understand the power of the badge and that police have to be honest, because that is how an innocent man can face frivolous charges, Reinicke, who is Wiggins' lawyer, stated. City officials decided to avoid a trial. Settling this case was in the best interest of the city, a law department spokesperson is quoted as saying. After Wiggins' criminal case was dismissed, Reinicke took the case a step further, and in July 2015 he sent a letter to then District Attorney Kenneth Thompson requesting his office investigate the officers' misconduct. No charges have been filed against the cops. All of the officers involved are still employed by the department. Wiggins had filed a lawsuit in the Brooklyn Supreme Court against the city and the cops, Joseph Johnson Conway, Craig Jingo, Matthew Sabella and Chris Connor, who are all police officers.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.